Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an administrator account and system protection enabled on the drive you'll use. Once ready, open Start and type Create a Restore Point, then press Enter to open System Properties. Make sure the target drive shows protection. On. If it's off, click Configure and turn on System Protection, allocating a reasonable max usage % so points aren't deleted immediately. Now click Create to make a fresh restore point. You can't edit existing points, so this is the only way to change the saved state. Click Create, give the point a descriptive name that includes date and reason, then click Create again. Wait for the confirmation that the restore point was created. Next, use Configure to adjust max usage so Windows retains more points. Setting it higher prevents immediate purging. If you need space, run disk cleanup right arrow cleanup system, files right arrow more options, right arrow system restore, and shadow copies to delete old copies. Once done, the new restore point is the current state you can roll back. To finish, test the change by opening System Restore, choosing Select a different restore point, and picking the one you created. Cancel before committing if this is only a verification. If System Restore fails to start or apply a point, check Event Viewer for VSS or SR errors and ensure Volume Shadow Copy Service is running. If errors persist, run sfc/scano and chkdsk on the target drive, then recreate the point. These repairs resolve corrupted system files that block restore operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.